Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cryptosonic. In this video I am going to share a profitable meme coin that is basically Kermit, that is representing the essence of original meme culture. In this video I will share each and everything about it. Before that, if you are new on my YouTube channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification, as I am also sure that this coin is going to touch the moon and the price will pump out near about 1000x, because the Kermit is representing the essence of original meme culture embodied in the iconic figure of Kermit the Frog. Kermit basically are crafted for the crypto enthusiasts who appreciate the blend of humor and relatability. Unlike many memes coin that miss the marks on capturing the true spirit of memes, Kermit aims to be epitome of the meme authenticity and genesis of the crypto space. Here you can also get all this link in video description, because you have to know a complete details about it if you want to work on it, as you want to trade, you want to get their community link so that you can join as a member of this one ecosystem. First of all, you have to see the full name is Kermit the Dog, your favorite OG memes. Before the peep, there was Kermit the OG memes, and a meme built around the everyday roller coaster of shared crypto experiences. In this era, you can find a very precious memes coin that I am going to suggest to you, that price also will be pump out. Here you can also check that how does this work and what is the original beloved character like Muppets franchise and creation of Jim Henson 1995. So here you can also capture all these details here. Like my friend, here you can also get a true meme in the one of the combined humor of relatability. Is here is also a sharing memes with the carings, like you can get financial freedom if you will join, and Kermit is also a fully ran community, and this is a meme coin that is founded by a group of Shiba Doge and Peep Diggins. And you can also see the recently these memes has been crossed their prices, as they have done 100x profit to the investors they have hold. So you can also check the total tokenomics, because they are delicious with no taxes, no toughies, as there is no funny business, as the liquidity pool has been locked forever. There is no secret team like of the token allocation, and everyone buys from the market equally. So this is also amazing fact about it that I like, and I am also going to share with you, because this is also a fact I have never seen in any community before else. So here I want to share that how to buy. First of all, you have to download your trust wallet and install your contract address and buy some USDT in it. Then you can go to Pancakeswap and swap the USDT to crickets. Here is cricket contact address, and you can also swap with one. Here is roadmap, like sit back and laugh, enjoy the ride, meme the experience, start your new journey with this coin, because their team is working on it. You have to just watch and invest to earn your profit. Here you can check out their partnership details and major exchanges on which they are going to list their coin, so that you can trade on it and make profit on daily basis. Whatever you will invest, you can get according to that. Here you can also follow them on their social media link, not a cheer toy, because Kermit coin is has no official association with Jim Henson on his work. Kermit the Frog created in 1955. You can check out here a complete changing new era. If you want to know more about it, then you have to read their white paper. As the Kermit, what is Kermit? Kermit the Frog and the crypto associations. How can you get in the world of memes? How to make profit? All these trends and their process that they are following their model as meme coin with the light-hearted spirit of the meme coverage. You can find their relatability, and you can also check their humorous perspective on it. So I hope that you have clear. If you want to know that how much roadmap has been cleared as a meme lab as personalized DEX listing is, here is also non-fungible tokens. because there are also a plan going on to introduce the distinctive NFTs collection showcase the various Kermit personas. As you can check out their personal token basic information as community goals, how they will expand their community and stay in touch with their community. Now, how to buy? So you have to go to your Pancakeswap and check out. Here you can import their token as crickets. If you invest your $500 on it, then you can check this number of token or coin you can buy on it as cricket coin. This is basically this is a meme coin that you are going to purchase. You can swap by using trust wallet also. So next thing you can check out on the DAX tool as. Now my friend, I want to share the complete difference about their price is going to up, and you can also check out the recently price of the Kermit also. Here you can see if I want to talk to you that within 4 hours, every 4 hours from still launching to still now, the price is going on. You can check out the price when it has been launched, and now you can see that when trading is starting and the people are doing staking holding this coin, you can check out the price is going to pump also. So there is something dumping, but now it is also going to touch the peak. Now if we want to change the duration, like here I select 1 week, then you can get a completely a large difference that the price is from launching to still now is going on. In this way you can work on it, you can get a basic information, the market cap, volume and complete detail on it. How does this work? So I hope that you have cleared. And here is Kermit that you're going to get take over the crypto as Binance Smart Chain or Gmeme. I have already shared all the detail that you should need to know about this website, their community. If you want to know more about it, do your research on and make profit. If you want to join or ask any question from their community, there is global community also is available. So I hope that you have cleared how does this work. If you have any question or query still now, you can ask in our comment box. See you next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.